Hello everyone, it's Michelle. Today I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful wreath with everything from the Dollar Tree. So let's go ahead and jump right on in. Okay, so you're going to need some ribbon. Everything you need for this project is listed in the description box. You're going to need some hydrangeas, different colors, any colors of your choice. I decided on 3 different colors: green, pink, and purple. You're going to need some floral wire and a wire cutter and a willow wreath. Okay. Okay, the first thing I'm doing is I'm going to cut all of these hydrangeas down to about 3 to 4 inches in the stem. And then once I cut them all down, I'm essentially going to create little bouquets. Okay, so I'm just going to put them all together, just one bunch at a time, and then I'm going to wrap my floral wire around them so that I keep everything in place. I'm going to do this for each individual bunch of hydrangeas, and I believe it's either 5 or 6 on a bunch. I'm going to continue to do that until I get through all of the bunches to fill in the entire wreath. It's really simple to do it, and it's really quick. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is make my ribbon. I'm going to cut about 36 inches of ribbon. Once you fold it over, it's going to be equivalent to about 36 inches, but total is about 72 inches. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to tie this on the wreath first before I start applying any flowers, okay? And I'm just going to pretty much just make a knot on the wreath. That's all I'm going to do right now. And then just kind of move the ribbon out of the way so that I can start building onto the wreath. Okay, so now I'm going to take all of my little bouquets that I made, and I did kind of put a bend on the stems so that the bouquet can pretty much lay flat onto the wreath. And I'm going to take my hot glue gun and I'm going to be gluing these stems onto the wreath. And I'm trying to find, I do somewhat of a dry fit first to see where the flowers need to sit. And then I put the glue on it and then I set it in that position. If it's somewhat rocks out of position, then I'll have to hold it until the glue dries or put a little bit more glue on it and then reposition it. But the idea is just to make sure they're all lined up properly. And then once I get all of these on, then I'm just going to, kind of reshape some of them, kind of pull them into the right position that I want them to be in. And what I'm doing is I'm alternating colors. I'm going green, pink, purple, then I'm going green, pink, purple. I'm going to continue to do that all the way around the wreath until I get done. Now this willow wreath, it's really tight, and so you may have to kind of move the branches out of the way a little bit in order to get the flowers in. So just take a note of that. It's not really hard to do. It's just a matter of making sure you can kind of sit that bouquet down in there so it doesn't come back out. So guys, this is what it is right now. So I have to reposition a couple of flowers a little bit just to give me that nice round shape, just like looking at a circle basically. I'm just going to step back and look at it, and if I see anything that's out of position, then I'm just going to go ahead and reposition those flowers. Really simple arrangement. It's absolutely beautiful, and these can go up to $70, $80. If you look on Etsy, they're really, really expensive. And if I see anything fall off, I'm just going to take my glue gun and just go ahead and put it right back in place. So guys, I love the shape of this. And now, the only thing I have left to do is I'm going to modify the ribbon. I'm just going to tie a bow at the top to basically hang it on my door hanger. But I love the look of the burlap against all these beautiful spring flowers. Love hydrangeas because they're very feminine, and they're just, these colors are so perfect for spring and summer. So here it is on my front door. I do love the way it looks, but I'm going to change this bow a little bit because I want it to be a little bit higher because it was covering my peephole. So I had to pull it up a little bit. But other than that, guys, I absolutely love this wreath. I hope you love it too. This is what's going to be on my door for the rest of the summer. And I want to thank you all for watching. And I'll be doing a porch makeover, so I hope to see you then. Take care, my friends. Bye-bye.